So now welcome once again students. And now here I am going to explain the question number 7th of the exercise 8.2. So first I am going to read the question. In the question it is given that a milkman sold 2 of his buffalo for rupees 20,000 each. On one he made a gain of 5% and on the other a loss of 10%. Find his overall gain or loss. So in this question it is given that milkman is there who is going to sell his 2 of the buffalo and the selling price for both the buffalo is 20,000 each. And on one he is going to get a profit of 5% and on the second he is going to get a loss of 10%. Then you need to find that in whole that transaction, in that whole that selling, he is going to get loss or profit. So first you need to find the total, what is the cost price and what is the selling price, then you will be able to find that he is going to get loss or profit. So in this question it is given that is the sold means selling price for selling price of both buffalo, that is equal to rupees 20,000 each. Now gain on first buffalo, that is equal to 5%, and on the second he is going to get a loss. So loss on second buffalo, that is equal to 10%. So in this question it is given that selling price for both the buffalo 20,000 each and gain is going to get the gain of 5%, a profit of 5% on the first buffalo and loss on the second buffalo, that is 10%. So in terms, if you are going to find the CP, so I have given a direct formula to find the CP if you are given the selling price and gain. So here you will write CP of first buffalo, CP of first buffalo. That is equal to whatever the formula I have given, that is given 100 upon 100 plus gain percent into selling price. That is the formula to get the CP. CP equal to 100 upon 100 plus gain percent into selling price. So it is equal to 100 upon 100 and gain percent on the first one is 5 and into selling price is 20,000. For both the buffaloes selling price is 20,000. So it is equal to 105 upon, sorry here it will be 100 upon 105 into 20,000. Now here it will be cancelled, 5 to the 10, 5 1 the 5, it will be 20. Now if you are going to write it, it will be 4 and how many 0 will be there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 0 and upon 21. Now it is not going to be cancelled, so it's better to convert it in the decimal. So what you need to do? You need to divide this value and you need to find the up to 2 place of decimal. So here I am going to divide it. It will be, how many 0 are there? 2 to 4, 1, 5. So here I am going to divide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That what you can do in the rough, divided by 21. So 21, 1 ja 21, 22, 2 ja 42, that will be greater. So 21, 1 ja 21. It is 9 and here it is 3 minus 2, 1. Now it will be 1 0 I am going to put. Now here I am going to put 1 0. So it is 190 how many times? It will be 9 times. So 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18. Now here it will be 10 minus 9, 1 and here it will be 0. Now you will put one more 0. Here after putting 1 0, division is not possible. So here you will put 0 and you will pick the next 0. So how many times? It will be 4 times. So 4, 4 2 ja 8. It will be 84, and it will be 6, and here 9 minus 8 1. Now again one more 0 is there, so it will be 160. How many times? It will be 5 times. It will be like this. Sorry, it will be more than 5 times. It will be 7 times. So 7 1 just 7, 7 2 just 14. It will be 7, 10 minus 7 3, and here 5 minus 4 1. Now there is no any 0, so here you will put decimal and you will put the next 0. So here how many times? 6 times. So 6 1 just 6, 6 2 just 12. Now here it is 4. And here it is cancel. Again you will put 1 0. So 21. 1 ja 21. It will be this. And here it is 9. And it is 1. 190. So how many times? Again it is 9 times. So it will be 19,047.619. Yeah, if you are going to round up this, so it will be 19,047.62. So it can be written as rupee 19,047.62. So that is the selling price for the first, cost price for the first buffalo. So I have written the cost price for the first buffalo. So kindly note down this, and after that I will find the cost price for the second buffalo. So here I am going to write it. That is the CP for the first buffalo. So here I am going to write CP of first buffalo. Reason is that in the last I will use this value. So here I am going to write it, and after that I will erase it. So I have written it here. So and after that I am going to erase that. So kindly note down this. So only I am going to make the changes here. Here CP for a second buffalo. And here on the second buffalo he is going to get a loss of 10%. So here in the formula it will be minus. If loss is there, so here it will be minus loss percent. Now it will be 100 minus, and loss percentage 10. Now friends, selling price for the second is also 20,000, so it will be the same. And after this here the changes will be there. It will be 100 minus 10, that will be 90 into 20,000. Now here 0 and 0 will be cancelled, and it will be 20,000, and 2 more 0 will be there upon 9. Now it is equal to, so again you need to divide it. So 2 and how many 0 are there? 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and divided by 9. So 9 2 ja 18. It is 2, then 0, then 9 2 ja 18, again 2, and again you will put the next 0 for 9 2 ja 18, then 2 here, again you will put next 0, then 9 2 ja 18, then 2, and again you will put the next 0, 9 2 ja 18, then here it will be 2, so it will be 0.22. So it is equal to rupees 22,222.22. So that is the cost price for the second buffalo. So kindly note down up to here. Now friends, I am going to find the cost price for both buffalo. So here I will write cost price of both buffalo. That is equal to, what was the cost price of the first buffalo? 19,047.62 plus second buffalo 22,222.22. So if you are going to add, it will be 4, 6 to 8, then 7 to 9, 4 to 6, here it will be 2, 9 to 11, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. 41,269.84. That is the cost price for of both buffalo. Now selling price of both buffalo. That is equal to 20,000 plus 20,000. The selling price for both the buffalo was same. So that is 20,000 plus 20,000, that is equal to rupees 40,000. So the selling price for both the buffalo is 40,000, cost price is 41,269.84. So here you are going to get cost price is greater than selling price. Here you can find cost price for both buffalo is greater than selling price of both buffalo. So if cost price is greater than selling price, then there will be the loss. So it means the milkman is going to get the loss. So how much in the question it is either find is overall gain or loss. So here he is going to get the loss. So overall loss. Here loss is there, so you will get overall loss equal to, that will be CP minus SP. Here it is equal to 41,269.84 minus 40,000. That is equal to rupees 1,269.84. So that is the overall loss the milkman is going to get. So that is the complete solution of the question number 7. So kindly note down the solution of this question.